cameraman! Was it the electrical box? And the light pole. Oh, she's smoking again. Why does it smoke so bad?
I have no clue.
You should build a stack for it.
Holy shit. Man, that thing's just smoking. Gotta be some oil or something in there. It only seems like when I hit a bump or something.
Or when you really, sometimes when you hit a bump and give her at the same time.
The oil comes up in there, might be too much oil.
You should put a stack on it. A really tall stack so it goes just right over you.
It's getting smoked out. Look how dirty I am now.
You need to put a stack on it, a tall stack. scared the living shit out of them. I thought you were going over backwards. Except for the smoking part. I thought you were going over backwards there.
I get mad. Oh man, I'm a freaking dirtball. You can't even see my tattoo.
It's real dusty out there.
You can't see nothing, literally.
Your head is all freaking dust, your face is dust.
I'm gonna take a dirt bath.
Yeah, if you take a bath, it's not gonna be clean no more.
Well, fucker runs good.
Except for the smoking part.
I think it seemed to die up a little bit now though.
It's funny when you're running it because the exhaust is for a flathead, so it sticks out now.
Wow, it'd be cool to watch it at night. Fucking flames would just shoot out of that thing.
Imagine it just being almost dark and flames shooting out of it, and when it was smoke, you see. You ain't gonna see you. It's like if you were on the wrong side of the lawnmower, you wouldn't be able to see the lawnmower. If you were on that side of it, you wouldn't be able to see it at all. It's like probably some of the smoke that's coming out. They probably think it's a freaking pulling tractor. What?
You think you could beat me?
No. Not with smoking. Smoke me out.
That's my technique.
Smoking me out.